Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft not letting you join any realm, or if the realms aren't connecting to. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, first thing is that you want to do is you want to check your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because Minecraft realm will require a strong and stable internet connection to function properly. If your internet is spotty, it may be the reason why you can't join the realm. Next one is just reset Minecraft. Sometimes all it takes is a simple restart, close it and reopen it again. Third option is to update Minecraft. So make sure you have the latest version of Minecraft installed. Outdated versions may have compatibility issues with realms, so updating to the latest version can often fix the problem. Then you have to check realm status. Now, it's sometimes possible that the realm itself is experiencing issues, so check the realm status to see if there are any ongoing problems or maintenance that could be prevent you from joining. Restart your device, so your laptop or your computer. Next, you want to clear Minecraft cache. So to clear Minecraft cache, it can sometimes fix a problem. You basically go to settings and look for the option to clear cache, and that's it. For the other one is check for mod compatibility. If you have mod installed, they could be causing compatibility issues with realms. So try disabling mods and see if that allows you to join the realm. Contact the realm owner. Of course, if none of this above works, just reach out to the owner and let them know about your problem and they could help you out. Next is reinstall Minecraft. If you've tried everything above and it's still not working, just reset Minecraft. And last but not least is that you contact Minecraft support. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.